Matang bhagai bhula. Rernit hasha, agus sé lá suir a hawn yn dú a seo out in Australia. Lá suir colabre na banring. Hello everyone, Rernich, and today is a public holiday here in Australia. It's the Queen's birthday public holiday. So I thought I'd take a moment to address the commonly asked question of how do you say happy birthday in Gaelic? Which isn't really a simple answer. Because wishing people happy birthdays is apparently not a Gaelic thing. So there are three ways that I've heard. There might be more. So the first one is Wa sona dovre. Wa sona dovre. Or La sona vur bre if you're talking to someone who's older than you. Or twins. And that is happy day of your birth. The second way is Colabre sona rich. Colabre sona rich. Which is a birthday anniversary happy to you. And if you're talking to someone older or to more than one person, it's Colabre sona rave. Colabre sona rave. And the third way that I know, which is considered the most sort of traditional and authentic way, but the other two are very, very commonly used, so pinch of salt. But that's simply Mial Donayach. Mial Donayach. Or Mialav Ur Nayach. Mialav Ur Nayach. And this literally means enjoy your news, but more colloquially it's used to mean congratulations. So this is probably the most useful one because you can use it for birthdays, you can use it for anniversaries, you can use it just to congratulate someone on graduating university or getting a job, do things that I'm struggling to do. You can use this for many situations, and you can use mialda, insert other thing there, say if someone as Black-haired Neil did in the song has got a new pair of shoes, you could say mial davroken. That is mouth music. So, and happily, all of these phrases fit the song. So you can say La sona do re, la sona do re, la sona do nyam, la sona do re. Or you could sing Colabre sonnegut, colabre sonnegut, colabre sonnedanyam, colabre sonnegut. Or you can sing Mialdanayach ganju, Mialdanayach ganju, Mialdanayach anyam. So, there's three ways to say and sing happy birthday. Colabre sona gutch, la sona dovre, and mialdanayach. Cheery and drasta.